shoes namin. So, since tatlo kami guys, ito yung akin, ito yung kay ate, tapos ito naman yung kay Cindy. Ayusin natin to, including yung lagayan nila ng shoes. And ipapakita ko rin sa inyo guys, yung mga shoes na nabili ko online, and I will also be putting their links down below in the description box. And by the way guys, this is where we put our clothes, this is where we hang our favorite go-to shirts. So guys, welcome to my mini haul. So first is this slippers from TikTok shop, and super favorite ko talaga siyang gamitin. Gamit na gamit ko na to guys. Ang pinaka gusto ko sa kanya is parang nadadagdagan yung height ko. I really love shoes and slippers that would make me look taller. Another one is this. Kung nakita nyo guys yung photoshoot ko nung birthday ko, ito yung ginamit ko guys. This is also from TikTok shop, and hindi ko pa siya nalinisan. Ang pinaka gusto ko sa kanya is the pearl and the ribbon. Very coquette. Ito yung bathroom slippers na nailagay lang dyan. So guys, kumuha na ako ng upuan kasi nga, ang hirap pala. I got this pink shoes from TikTok as well. Ayan siya guys. Ito din guys, nabili ko rin siya on TikTok, and it's very cute guys, so aesthetic. This is also one of my favorite slippers guys. This is also from TikTok as well. Very gamit na gamit ko na siya guys. Ito naman guys yung heels na ginamit ko ng birthday ko, and it's very affordable lang sa TikTok shop. And I also have this one. It's also from TikTok shop. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys bago pumasok sa work, bago magpalit ng heels sa airport. So ayan siya guys. So, ngayon naman guys, is nakikita nyo naman dyan, kalat-kalat yung mga gamit. And yan yung lahat ng nabili kong kitchen supplies. As you can see, puro siya pink. And ngayon, samahan nyo akong mag-organize, and I am also going to do a mini pink kitchen supplies haul. So, let's hop right into the video. So, I have this one guys, nabili ko siya sa TikTok shop. I am going to put the link down below in the description box. Chopping board siya guys, tapos pambalat ng fruits, fruit peeler, and pink kitchen knife. Pin natin siya dito guys. So I also bought this one guys from TikTok shop. Ayan siya guys. And let's unbox it. So cute. Ito nga pala guys, hindi siya included. Nailagay ko lang siya pang prito, spatula, egg beater, mini spatula, silicone brush. Ayan siya guys. Lahat siya silicone. So I have this one guys. I bought this from Mr. DIY. One guys, I also bought this from TikTok shop. This is a sandwich maker. Ayan siya guys, no? Cute no? Color pink siya. You can also make waffles, sandwiches. It also comes with a manual, guys. This is called pala the baking machine. Ayan. By the way, bigay lang pala to sa akin from TikTok shop. Ayan siya guys, color pink. And may kasama siyang dalawang pang-beat ng eggs. I'm going to put also this one right here. And I have these party cups guys na color pink din. This guys, yung pag nagsasaing. I got this from Mr. DIY as well. Now, I'm going to show you guys yung rice cooker na nabili ko sa Shopee. I am also going to put the link down below in the description box. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda niya talaga. For a pink girl like me guys, this is a must-have sa kitchen talaga. And then, press nyo lang siya here. Ayan, press nyo lang siya. It comes with this one. So, pwede siya mag-steam dyan ng eggs. And I almost forgot, may kasama din palang ganito yung rice cooker. Din natin siya sa center. Lagayan ng mga baso guys. Ayan siya. Ilalagay ko siya dyan. Pink cups. Lagay natin siya dyan. This one, I got this from TikTok shop. I'm also going to put the link down below in the description box guys. And pwede nyo na siyang i-customize. May pangalan na din siya. Lagay natin siya dyan. I also have this one guys. I bought this from TikTok shop. And di ko alam, binili ko lang siya because it's so cute talaga. Just look at the butterfly paper cups. And we're finally done guys. So ayan siya guys. Ganyan itsura niya. So over here guys, I have this one. yung nabili kong luggage from T-Partner. Ayan. T-Partner from TikTok shop. I'll be putting the link down below in the description box. Bali, nabili ko na siya guys as a set. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Tapos, ito yung sunod na malaki and then this one. Tapos, ito, bigay lang sa akin yung Barbie tag. Tapos, ito guys, this is where I keep all my phone cases. Ayan, medyo magulo pa siya kasi di ko pa siya naaayos. But, ito yung mga favorite phone cases ko guys from TikTok, Shopee. Tapos yung iba, bigay lang. Ito mga Rila Kuma cases ko guys is bigay lang siya from TikTok. Guys, I have this one. I bought this from Mr. DIY. Plus, ito ding mga lagayan ko dyan guys, organizers. This one is from Mr. DIY. Ito yung dalawang maliit and then itong malaki. So, ito guys, ayan, lagayan ko siya ng nails. This is where I keep all my nails. And then, yung mga makeup na hindi ko naman nagagamit. Ito din yung mga hindi ko masyadong nagagamit na makeup. As for this one guys, ito yung ginagamit kong storage box for all of my PR packages na galing sa TikTok and some other brands. So, let's open it guys. Ito yung mga lagayan ko ng PR packages guys from different brands. I have also these organizers from Mr. DIY as well. Mga clear siya. Lagayan ko siya guys ng mga toiletries. Ayan. And then, ito pa. Lagayan ko siya ng toiletries din. Ayan, yung mga skincare. Tapos, ito naman guys na box na to, as you can see. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga pangbuhok like the blower, suklay, curler, styling hair gels. Ayan, may straightener tayo dyan. Ayan, may buhok. So, dito ko siya nilalagay. So, dito naman sa box na to guys, yung mga electronics like the charger, ito yung panglinis ng phone and other gadgets. Tapos, phone stand. Tapos, this is the cute earbuds from Miniso. Ayan, Barbie siya guys. This one is also from Miniso guys. Speaker siya, Barbie speaker. So, ayan, cute, cute. Over here naman guys, we have those Lego flowers from Miniso. Tapos, ayan, may Rila Kuma bear dyan. Tapos, yung mga ginagamit kong cosmetics from TikTok. Ayan, we also have the Good Judok cooling fan. Tapos, dito meron yung panglagay ko pag matutulog. Tapos, pag mag-skincare. So, let's open. Ayan yung brushes, guys. This is from Shopee. Ito naman sa second drawer, yung mga curlers, silicone brushes, tapos scissors. Ayan. Diyan yung mga matutulis na mga bagay-bagay. Dito naman guys, I have the headbands. Dito naman guys, dito ko nilalagay yung mga pouch ko. Ayan, mga binders. And this one is from Mr. DIY guys. Yung hot compress na pink, which is very cute kasi bunny siya. Tapos ito yung lagayan ko ng payong, tapos mood, octopus, tapos ayan, meron tayo dyang mini fan. And dito guys, hindi ko na siya masyadong abot, pero dyan yung pang exercise, which is di ko naman nagagamit. Ayan, color pink yan lahat guys. Nabili ko lahat yan sa TikTok shop. And this right here guys is from pang gym na mga outfits. So, ayan. Dito naman guys, dito ko sinasabit yung mga pink bags ko. Ayan, from TikTok shop. By the way guys, these hangers are from Shopee and I'm also going to put their links down below in the description box. Cute, right? Meron pa siyang heart. This is my laundry basket guys. Also got it from online.